Hello, today I'm going to show you a secret method how to uh, build an email list at the faster and easier ways. Today, if you are struggling to build your email list to promote your different affiliate product or your own digital product, and it could take a very long time to build a list where you can promote the different product, right? So today there is a way you can actually shorten all this journey. There is currently this product launched in this one of these WhatsApp Plus. It's called Monkey Mailer. So to get this sales page here, so the headline it sounds like this. If you are struggling to build an email list, uh, want to send 500k email today, are you ready to finally get their result, right? So this is basically there are 15 sites you can send total up to 500,000 emails per day with this 15 email for free. So uh, this is what this old banking mail is all about, right? So this is created of this so-called products, right? So he actually discovered this secret method of how you can so-called brush to the 500k emails per day by using this 15 site, right? So to get the result he got here in this sales page about how he can actually get a lot of sales by using this free traffic method, right? So I quickly go scroll down to this. So this is command key millers, right? Okay, so this get all this discovered the top on 15 site, right? Correct. So this is some of the bonuses that come together with you purchase this monkey minus, right? Right now let me actually show you what are my bonuses. Today, if you get this monkey model via my bonus page below this video, I'm going to give you all these bonuses, right? Below, right? So the first bonuses I'm going to give you is email nominations, right? Email nomination is a complete email marketing course which I created, which guide you step by step. It's a video training course which show you how to actually do a proper email from the way you how to craft an email and how to set up the autoresponder, the series of the autoresponder, right? So you can learn a lot from this email nomination video training course. The second bonuses I'm going to give you is 2,500 emails, right? For make money online. So this email you can use. So just do some modification. You can use this email to promote the different affiliate product or your own product by using this email, right? Correct. Okay. So the third bonuses I'm giving away is the 100 killer headline for email marketing. You see, when we send email, it's really important we have the correct headline, right? Without the headline is must be catchy, so you can catch people attention to open your email. So by using this 100 killer headline, it's going to increase the open rate of your email and the success rate of the offer you're promoting, right? So just go to the next one. I'm also give you the 4 bonus on the landing and script page builder. Uh, so, so you can use this script page builder to build the landing or script page to promote the different affiliate product, right? So by using this builder, you're able to build a high converting script page or landing page, which then you can actually put this so-called your landing page inside the email, right? By using this fittings site, right? Okay, when you promote the different affiliate product, yeah, you can put using build the landing page and script page using this builder. Then subsequently you can actually go to the fitting site. We can actually blast out the email with the landing page. Okay, to promote the affiliate product. So that is this bonus are all custom made based on this monkey millers, right? So moving next is I'm going also giving you a complete training course of affiliate training course. Affiliate training course, I think will be helpful to you to help you to learn how to promote the different affiliate product from the JVJU, from ClickBank, or from the Money Plus Life. So I'm sure this will be really helpful to your online business, right? And the last one will be all the vendor bonuses as per stated in uh, uh, the sales special, right? Okay, so these are vendor bonuses, right? Okay, so today if you get this monkey noodles via my bonus page below, you will get all these uh, special bonuses, all these custom all these are custom made bonuses which I tailor made for this monkey miller, right? So I'm sure this is going to help you with your online business, right? So just look back again about what is the offer here. So what is monkey miller all about? Okay, so building the email list is better for internet marketer, but it takes a lot of time, correct? It will take a lot of time. So by if you get this monkey miller, you will know, understand what are the fit inside the member area. Uh, the creator of this product is going to walk through with you what are the fit inside and how you can actually promote the different affiliate product using this fit inside for the free buyer traffic, right? Okay, so these are the some of the front ends OTO. The front ends is really affordable. It's less than $10. So with this less than $10, you're going to know the 15 secret site that you can join and send email. For today, we are needing to build their own list. Building your own list is very tedious job. I can share with you my experience. It may take years to build a few thousands email lists, but by using this method, you can actually start promoting your affiliate product or own digital product to the 500,000 email from this 15 secret site, right? So these are some of OTO, right? You can actually take a look, take your time to go through using inside my this bonus page below, right? Correct. So cool. So okay, this is some of the demo video here. You can watch it inside my bonus page also. But so once you purchase this product, let me show you a snapshot of what is inside the member area. So this is the member area. After you purchase this product, you are going to come to this member area. This member area is some of the topic you are going to see from this is a video is a few with some video training. We actually show you the overview, the introduction of the training, and also it's a 15 secret site. So he's going to walk through you each of the site in this training video. So I'm sure this is some of the very exciting uh, uh, so-called discovery about what is a 15 site which can provide you a free traffic source to promote your different product. So I'm sure this monkey miller is definitely is a good to have and must have way to promote your affiliate product, right? So without much hesitation, okay, I coming back to my this model special with before the so I have limited spot here. So before the timer run out, please click the link below this video to come to this bonus page. And when you come to this bonus page, just click on any of the button here, and you will once you click a button, you come to this sales page here. So inside the sales page, you can actually purchase this product. So when you purchase product, you get all these my special bonuses here, right? I'm sure you won't be able to find this kind of tailor-made bonuses from others marketer in this e-trade shop now. I'm sure my bonuses will be the ones tailor-made for your need, right? So thank you for watching my presentation today. I'm very excited to recommend to you this monkey mailer, right? Just less than $10, you are able to know the secret way of getting a free buyer traffic from the 15 site. Right? So click the link below this video and to get to this my bonus special and get a copy of these tradings course of this about get to know this 15 site. Okay, right. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.